Hi, this is Amy with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Let's see what this dance looks like. 5, 6, 7, 8.
On a Mississippi morning, my dad yelled out a warning, son, you'd better hit that cotton patch real soon. And on my way down to the field, as I passed old Johnson's mill, I saw Becky Morgan skinny dipping nude. Well, I couldn't help but stop and stare. Hypnotized, I stood right there, enchanted by the view.
Let's learn the steps. I'm going to turn around so that my back is to the audience. It'll be easier for you to follow along. This dance starts with our weight completely weighted on our left foot, leaving our right foot free. With our right foot, we're going to point forward and point back, triple forward. We're going to do the same thing with our left foot, point forward, back, triple forward. Next section, rock, recover. We're going to do a complete turn with triple steps. So a triple turn, triple step, ending up with our weight on our right foot. We're going to do the same thing with our left foot. We're going to do a rock, recover, rock, recover. This time we're going to do a triple step halfway around, triple step, ending up with our weight on our left foot. Next section, with our right foot, we're going to do a step together, cross. Step together, cross. Weight is on my left foot, leaving my right foot free to do the next section, which is going to be a toe heel stomp. Same thing with our left foot, toe heel stomp, leaving my weight on my left foot to finish off the dance with 2 triple steps forward. Triple step, triple step. Now I'm on the new wall and I can repeat the dance. Let's count it out. Ready and point 1, 2, 3, and 4. Point 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rock 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. That takes us to the second wall of this dance where you can repeat the dance. This dance does have 2 small tags in it, at the end of wall 4 and the end of wall 7. The tag is just an extension of the dance, just repeating the last 4 counts. Let me demonstrate what the last section of the dance will look like, including the tag. Ready and toe heel stomp, triple forward, triple forward. We do another triple forward, triple forward, triple forward. And that is the tag at the end of wall 4 and wall 7. At this point, we repeat the dance. And that is Cottin Pickin time. Hey, thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.